time for some food here. We need food, we're hungry. Peppers. Mushroom. Some spring onion. We're using some pepperoni flavored sausage. I got some eggs in this nice little container. Bringing eggs out in the bush. We'll add some salt. Frying pan. Some butter. The sausage is starting to get some nice color. We add the rest of the ingredients. Just right on top here. The frying pan is a bit small, but that's all I got. We're starting to get some nice color on everything. And we add the eggs. Stir again. Take it off the heat a bit. Okay. Bushcraft omelette or scrambled E is finished. Let's chow down. Okay, let's try this. This dish definitely has some good vibes in it, that's for sure. Sit here, eat bushcraft dinner or lunch. Watch the fish jump out here on the lake. Can't get much better than this, man. Now I'm gonna eat. See you later, guys. Okay, that's enough food. Let's get some more fishing done. We're gonna catch some big trout, hopefully, but I doubt it.